Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is very similar to the last one because it's another NF. Not this one, but it's the non-rattan version. These are basically the same as the one that with rattans, except it doesn't have a rattan blade. It's just standard wood. Thick wood. Unfortunately, it has split in some places. Can't find it now, but it has. Same logo and everything, but it's awesome. It's just on a weatherite controller because this one actually was running variable speed before I got it. That one's on medium. Alright, so we're going to start it off on low. It's had a new capacitor installed as well. As my electrician come over today, and I asked him if we could do this fan. So, yeah, it does wobble a bit, probably because I've had the blades stored around the place for a while. Yeah, we've had a PowerPoint installed over there now, so yeah, I got a chair as well. But yeah, this fan's great. This fan's probably going to stay up for a while because I do like it in this spot. It does move air for when I need it. Pitch on these things is great. That's low. Speed 2. Bearings are a little bit noisy, just like my this one. But I did put just a dab of oil onto the top bearing and it did fix it. Don't want to put that much in because then it might wreck it. Just enough to quieten down those bearings just a little. But you can still hear it making noise, but not as bad as what it was. So as I said, new capacitor, runs great. We can get underneath it to show it. It does wobble, as you can see. Living Essentials ceiling fan. There's the two NFs running together. And the same speed, spinning around about the same pace. Alright, let's put it on speed 4. It is running nicely. Yeah, I got both these from, well, not the same place. I forgot where that one come from. But these fans have both come from my same state. Turn it on high. Moves a lot of air like the other one as well. That's kind of why it's here, because I do need a fan that moves a lot of air above me. So having these both on full speed one day will cool the place down very quickly. I can feel a lot in my chair, so that's great, because I had the safer up here and it didn't move much air. It blew like a quarter of this, if even that. So the blades are pretty, a little bit bashed up, but these fans is great. I'll show you the side angle of the blades. This thing's actually connected to a remote receiver, but we didn't realise the remote receiver would fit. That's why there's stuff hanging out, but the fan is connected, it's just spinning backwards. Alright, thanks for watching.